negotiating a crossroads on an urban dual carriageway. In this video we're going to be looking at turning left, going straight and going right. So there's going to be a few cuts in this video because I don't want to be driving around the block and wasting too much time. So each time I do one of these maneuvers, I'll be turning left, then cutting the video, going straight, cutting the video, then going right, cutting the video. So not much difference between a normal crossroads or an urban dual carriageway crossroads. The biggest difference is that there'll be an island in the middle of the road where if you're going straight or turning right, you can wait in the middle of the road. If it's a normal dual carriageway, then you can't just wait in the middle of the road because you'll be blocking all the traffic. So I'm going to be looking at the left turn first, and I'm going to move away as soon as it's safe, and the crossroads is actually just ahead of me. So I'm going to be going left, so I'm going to check my rear and check my left mirrors. I've got a vehicle behind, so I'm going to tell them that I'm going to be turning. Can't quite see to my right. Now there shouldn't be anything coming from the left hand side, but I'm still going to check to make sure there's nothing coming and there's nothing which is actually blocking my path. So that's how we actually do a left turn at a urban dual carriageway crossroads. The next video is on going straight ahead. So the crossroads just up ahead again, and this time we're going to be going straight ahead. So whenever we go straight ahead at a crossroads, we take a right position. So we check our rear and our right mirrors. I'm going to take the right position first, but there's no signal. So I can see there's a girl coming towards a junction, but she's not crossing. So we take a right position to make sure that we're not going to be blocking anything going left. So this time I'm going to check from my right and my left over the dual carriageway. There's nothing coming from my right, so this means I can move into the middle. Now when you move into the middle, you now have to give way to the traffic coming from the left. So you check your left, make sure nothing's coming from your right, check to your left again, nothing coming from straight ahead, so it's safe to go. So the next one I'm going to do now is turning right. So I've got the crossroads up ahead again, and this time I'm turning right. So it's very similar to going straight ahead. Rear and right mirrors, but this time it's a right signal on approach. There's vehicles coming towards me. So this vehicle's not sure what they're doing yet. They cut in the corner, so I'm going to let them go first. They should come out straight. So we're going to go out straight first. The vehicle's letting me go now, so I'm checking my left, checking my right, and making sure that it's safe to go. So what should have happened in that video then was, or that junction then, is the van which was coming towards me should have come out the same time in a straight line. We both wait in the middle, and then we stop next to each other, and then we go around each other. But because they cut the corner, they're blocking my path, so now I'm going to let them go first. So I hope that short little video helps you understand how to cross over on a crossroads, especially on an urban dual carriageway. So I hope it helps you, and if it does, don't forget, if you can hit the subscribe button and the bell button, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.